What's up, guys? Getting ready for my day. Got 3 jobs. I got 2 jobs, medium-sized jobs, and then later on today, a 3rd job is actually a large job. All right, so today I'm going to be trying out this product that a lot of people have been talking about online, YouTube world, and all that stuff. It's a green dragon. Paul over there at Washington Pro uses this stuff, swears by it, and I'm gonna give it a try today. Okay, so today, instead of using my carpet details, what I usually do when I'm not, I kind of know somewhat the situation of the job. I will go ahead and pre-mix before I get to the job. Fill it up with hot water. By the time it gets there, it's still warm. If I don't know the situation, I'll leave it off. You know, I won't mix it up until I get there, in case I need to use some really high pH stuff like Code Red or something like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and mix this stuff up because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a decent candidate for it. Just to see, you know, the cleaning power of it. You know, I guess there's a lot of similarities with carpet details. You know, pretty much everything carpet details is, they say this does. So, if the cleaning power is good, then yeah, I'll recommend the product. They sent me a sample kit too. So I got a bunch of product down here that I'm going to be using frequently here and there as I'm doing VLM stuff. Today, I may use some of this for the commercial job, the VLM job I'm going to be doing at the end of the day. I'm going to go ahead and put this in a crate and take it, because I'm still don't know whether I'm going to do VLM on it or not. So I'm going to bring it just in case. So with this green dragon stuff, I guess you can also use VLM or hot water extraction. So I'm going to be using hot water extraction and see how effective it is. Being what I do 90% of the time is hot water extraction. So, all right, stay tuned. I'm going to mix this stuff up. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so show up the first job. Already vacuum, pre-sprayed most of the jobs, and then there's pre-scrubbing over there. So this could be a nice challenge for this pre-spray. See if it works. .5 pH, so it should pack a little bit of punch. Hitting these areas with a little more of the heavily saturated. Get air in here to agitate and unpull the hoses. Okay, so after the pre-scrub, most of this stuff's pretty much disappearing. This area right here may be an issue. We'll see. Should clean up well. Guys, I'm pretty impressed with this already. That's cleaned up really well. Over that really slow. Alright guys, so I've been using the Green Dragon on a couple more jobs, liking it. Right after me talking right here, you're gonna see one of the toughest jobs I used with the Green Dragon. I'm very, very, very impressed, as you're gonna see. Alright, so this is 8.5 pH, and anybody else would have probably used a 12 pH to do this job. So I'm using hot water extraction, which most people are using VLM to do with the Green Dragon. So you're gonna see the power of this stuff. I don't work for these people. They gave me a free sample. I'm using it. I'm liking it. So stay tuned.